Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let me show you how I use gold medal self-rising flour. I love baking and I really don't enjoy messing around with all-purpose flour and adding in different bits and pieces to get the reaction I want from my flour. I love the fact that gold medal have already done all that calculating by having self-rising flour. I'm making some Australian or English style scones, so I need something that gives it a light fluffy texture. So after I've added my secret ingredients, I go ahead, pop them in the oven, and then you can see just how beautifully they rise up. They have given me the perfect result and I have not had to worry. I can really rely on gold medal to have consistent and perfect bake times for what I want. So here is a finished product. It is nice and fluffy on the inside. All it needs is jam and cream. So, whatever you're baking, you can rely on gold medal self-rising flour. But that's just my point of view.